Innovo hospital-grade silicone twister bulb baby nasal by Innovo is one of the best sellers among baby nasal aspirators products. Recommended hospital-grade silicone ear syringe and nasal aspirator, made of 100% silicone that is hypoallergenic and naturally resistant to the growth of bacteria, molds and fungus. Not only is it BPA, phthalate and latex-free, there isn't even plastic to worry about. Revolutionary twister design, designed in USA. Bulb twists apart for easy cleaning and drying to prevent germs or mold buildup. Soft silicone and narrow tip make it easy to suck earwax or snot and mucus out of baby's nose. Perfect for your newborn baby. Translucent bulb, see how much snot is being removed. No more second guessing and further aggravating a sick baby. Reusable and easy to clean, simply twist the bulb, wash, dry and reuse. Why waste money on additional nasal bulbs or Frida hygiene filters? Light and portable, great for travel, comes with a bag for easy storage.